Hello guys, welcome to Creative channel. In this very first video, let's go with the trend and learn about 3D printing. 3D printer is a tool to create three-dimensional solid object layer by layer. It's also known as additive manufacturing. Well guys, the major thing to achieve 3D printing is designing. Yes, we need to design the part, then convert it to the required 3D printed file and then print it. There are many designing softwares like CATIA, SolidWorks, Creo, etc. The main industries that use 3D printers are aerospace, robotics, automotive, civil, medical, etc. These industries came up with additive manufacturing because it's more efficient way of production with the required specifications. In this video, I'm going to design a chassis of a car and then print it. I'm going to use CATIA software for designing the chassis. Now open CATIA, create a new project, and let's start the chassis design. Well, to know about CATIA, CATIA is a designing software in which we can design mechanical parts and then we can simulate to see the final product working. CATIA software is most popular in many major industries like aerospace, robotics, automotive, defense, etc. Companies like BMW, the Boeing company, Porsche, Honda, and many companies use this software for research and development of their product. Now let's get into the designing. There we go, the chassis design is ready. Now save this CAD file in HTML format. I'm saving it to the desktop. Click HTML and save it. And here is our HTML design. Now open flashprint software. This is a software used in 3D printer for slicing the CAD files. And this is the software. Now go to file and mission type and select the type of the printer which you need to print the design. Now load the HTML file which is saved in the desktop and open it. And here comes the design. Change the position of the design to the most convenient way so that the printer can print it easily without any supports. And here are the supports. Supports can be used when there is an uneven layer of a design. I don't need any support for this design because everything is perfect in this design, 90°. So I'm clearing the supports. Now select print. And these are the settings of the 3D printer, the mission type, the material type. Now the PLA and the ABS are the filament material. Each have their own features. I'm using PLA because that is cheaper. And these are the advanced settings of the 3D printer. These cells are the outlines of the perimeter. The infill is the patterns of the structure that is printed inside the object. By deciding this infill density, the object can be strengthened and the time period of the print can be reduced. And now I am going to save the file as .gx. Now the slicing is done and the duration of the print is 5 hours 59 minutes. And this takes 23 meters of the filament. After the printing is done, the 3D printed chassis is ready for a drive. Here is a 3D printer fact. Research is going on in developing the art of 3D printer in medical field. Human heart is 3D printed. Don't you think this would bring a growth in organ transplantation? Think over it, guys. Catch you all in my next video. Keep supporting creating. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Feel free to drop your comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.